Hey, this is Nikhil from Microelectronics. In this video, I will show you a product which was recently sent to me by 3Dexter, which is a company from New Delhi, India. Basically, it's a pen, and with a normal pen, you can just write in 2D format. But with this pen, you can write in 2D as well as in 3D format. So, without waste time, let me unbox the pack and show you the product. So, this is the box that I got from the company. And out of the box you will find some description, some features of the product like model number, power consumption which is 12 volt 2 ampere, filament diameter, package size and etc. So let me just quickly open the box and show you the pen. So after opening the box you will find a paperwork, instruction or guidelines to use the pen. I have already read it, so you can pause the video to read it carefully. So let me keep it aside and show you other things. So here are the two sample filaments which we will use later to design our 3D models. So next in the list is pen holder, which is basically used to hold the pen during work. So this is the power adapter to power the pen, and which is also rated as 12 volt 2 ampere. So the next and the last thing in the pack is the pen itself. So here I found its input voltage, which is 12 volt DC, and the logo of the company. So here are the two indicators and the buttons to load and unload the filament, and a speed controller to control the speed of the motor. And here is the heating nozzle and filament input hole to load the filament, and a DC jack to power the pen. So now it's time to show you my creativity with the pen. Guys, 3Dexter also sell their made in India 3D printers, and they also have their 3D printing courses. So please check out them right now.